Do you know that you can get as much as up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger? So what you have to do to get this 95% discount is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive link on the description, you will be led to a page like this where you can see as much as up to 85% off. But you have clicked on the link in the description and you are going to use either of the coupon code. As I'm going to tell you in this video, you can get as much as up to 95% discount through Hostinger. So once you click on the link in the description, you are landed over here. Scroll below and first of all look around on the Trustpilot reviews. 63,000 reviews are just amazing, and 4.7 ratings they got. And if I scroll below, you can see 5-star ratings. 5-star. I'm giving Hostinger 5 out of 5 stars. Very good. So I figured I lost my sight of something and they helped me. The support from Hostinger support was very helpful. So you can see majority of the reviews are 5-star reviews, and if you look on the 30 days money back guarantee, this is one of the reasons I opted for Hostinger, which is why I'm here with this exclusive 95% discount. So once you click on the link in the description and you have seen this, scroll below, watch the video in full, and I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount. So you can see you can create your website within minutes through their powerful website builder. Just have to click on this link and you will be redirected to their website builder. Scroll below, Hostinger also supports WordPress website. So in case if you want to create a website on WordPress just like my website, you can simply click on this link and get your WordPress hosting started. And if you want to coming from another hosting company to Hostinger has a dedicated website migration service where they are going to shift all of your website that to free of cost. So if you want to that, simply click on this link to get this started. And Hostinger also support AI with Hostinger Horizons. Scroll below. Right now 10 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. Even I'm using it, and 4 million plus people are using Hostinger, and even I'm one of them as well. Scroll below and these are the primary deals. If you have clicked on the link in the description, you can get up to 95% on any of the plan. But before you select any plan, I want you guys to do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions before you buy anyone. The good thing I like about Hostinger is that all of the plans cover 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime, and all of the plans have 24/7 support, which is just amazing. And before you click on any link, I want you to do a thorough research. You can simply select the view all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan features, function before you choose any. But if you ask my opinion, I recommend the premium and business plan. They have almost everything which you may need. The only difference is the premium plan you can host up to 3 websites, and with the business you can host up to 50 websites, and it has NVMe storage, and with premium it has SSD storage. So once you are done with the research, simply select the choose plan. So you can see 85% discount right now. I'm going to tell you how you can get up to more than 95% off. So once you click on the link of choose plan, you will be redirected to another page, and now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount, but in reality even more than this. So you are landed over here and click on this and you can see that Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. Now Hostinger offer you variety of billing periods, if you ask me, because these are one-time exclusive deals for my audience, which you can grab through the link in the description. My opinion is to take the maximum discount because these prices won't appear again. So by select the 48 months, you can save the maximum amount of money. You are also getting free domain and 2 extra months free with this order as well. And you can secure your free domain right now. You can simply write your free domain over here, or you can claim it later on as well through the Hostinger control panel known as H panel. Please see the free domain is valid for only for the first year, so you just have to choose the first year only, otherwise you'll be charged for the second year. So take the advantage of this. After this, see your order summary, is everything fine. Now you can see over here it's 85% on this discount, plus you're getting 2 extra months free, no cost. You're also getting free domain as well, plus like they have a coupon code, and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you apply this, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal, which is just amazing. Now there is another coupon code mentioned in the description of this video along with the special discount link, so you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing deal. So you can see around your price got a further discount. So 85% over here, 2 extra months, free domain, and 10%. So do your math: 85 plus 10%, 95% plus 2 extra months and free domain. In addition to that, that to free of cost. Your 30 days money back guarantee is loaded now. Simply select the continue and move on to the last part. And you You can see over here, before you write any billing details, see your order summary, is everything fine as per your order. Is if everything is fine, now write your billing details over here and simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part. And now it's a payment method. And now there is another interesting thing what I like about Hostinger is that Hostinger offers you variety payment method, guys. You can pay credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate for crypto payments. So guys, you have variety payment methods to choose, so you can choose any as per your convenience. For instance, if I'm going with the credit card, I'm going to write my credit card details and simply select the submit payment, and within few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hosting with all of my account details. Just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I have told you in this video. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years and my experience so far is very good, which is why I'm here with a special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. So use that link and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.